What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining for another video. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Driver Defense Holster. This holster is made by ALIENGEAR Holsters. Before I go on, I want to send a shout out and a thank you to ALIENGEAR Holsters for their continued support of this channel. Each time they release a new holster, they always contact me and say, hey, do you want to review it? Give us suggestions, etc. And of course, I will never turn that down. So they've been a great support of this channel, and I want to say thank you guys. So I'm not going to go into great detail about this holster because I have not used it yet, and I want to use it and then give you a full review a little bit later. So okay, so with this holster, you're going to get a very nice manual, as is the case with all of their holsters. Inside the manual, it tells you exactly how to install it in your vehicle. It's really simple. I've done it once. Essentially, it wraps around your seat and then it locks in the back. Now, the part that you'll need to buy separately is the shell. So this portion right here clips right into the part that goes around your seat, and that's how you'll install the holster. I'm going to show you that in 1 second. So since you have two different parts here, you need to purchase this separately from this portion. So go ahead and put my gun in here, and I'm going to just show you really quick the different possibilities you have with this. So once this wraps around your seat, it also buckles here, and you can adjust it right here. Now you can go ahead and put this portion in like so. Make sure it's locked. It doesn't have to stay locked in this position. You can actually move it a full 360 degree, however you want to keep it. Personally, I'm going to have it pointed downward. So that's pretty much it, guys. It was a quick video, quick unboxing. This is the Driver Defense Holster made by ALIENGEAR Holsters. This can be used in a number of different scenarios and situations, and I'll get into that once I do the full review. Thanks for joining me, guys. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.